I would like to end my talk by giving a short example. Overall, men and women are equal. In some aspects, man has a degree of advantage. In some aspects, woman has a degree of advantage. For example, if in a classroom there is an examination conducted and student A and student B stand out first and they get 80 out of 100. If you analyze, each question holds or contains 10 marks. To answer in question number 1, student A, he gets 9 out of 10 and student B gets 7 out of 10. And to answer in question number 2, student B gets 9 out of 10 and student A gets 7 out of 10. And in the remaining 8 questions, they both get 8 out of 10. Overall, they get 80 out of 100. But if you analyze, to answer in question number 1, student A has a degree of advantage. And to answer in question number 2, student B has a degree of advantage. So overall, men and women in Islam are the same. In some aspects, man has a degree of advantage. In some aspects, woman has a degree of advantage. For example, if a man robber he enters my house, I will not tell I believe in equal rights. I will not tell my sister. I will not tell my mother to go and fight. Allah has given me more strength. I will go and fight. Where strength is concerned, man has a degree of advantage. And as I mentioned earlier, it is mentioned in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 8, book of Adab, hadith number 5971. The mother gets 3 times more love, respect, and companionship of the child as compared to the father. And if you analyze the woman's rights in Islam based on the authentic sources, that is the glorious Quran and the authentic Hadith, you have no option but to agree that the woman's rights in Islam, they are modernizing and they are not outdated. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen.